Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel PC Savior. In this video we are gonna install Windows 11 on low-end PC. As you know that Windows 11 required high PC specs, so if you have low-end PC you can also install it. On my PC i5 3rd generation I couldn't even install it, so then I find a way. Currently I am using Windows 10. Before this I was using Windows 11. Due to some reason I shifted to Windows 10 again. So in this video I will show you how can you install Windows 11 on low-end PC. Come to the website, up to down website, type Windows 11. I am gonna show you Windows 11 up to down. So you will come to this page and download it, get latest version and download it from here. It's about 5.4 GB. After downloading, it's an ISO file. You will need to go to Rufus website. I will provide the link also in the description. You have to download it. This standard version 62x64 if you are using 32-bit, so download this 32-bit version x86. So after downloading these, I have already downloaded. Let me show you. You have opened Rufus, it will appear like this, and where you have downloaded your ISO file. For example, my ISO file is this. So you have to insert a USB drive inside your PC and then select it from here. My one is selected, 16 GB, and you have to go and copy the file location. I am copying it from here and pasting it here. So this is open and start. Be aware here. First you can see here it gives us option remove 4 GB RAM and secure boot at TPM 2.0 and remove requirement for online Microsoft. You have to check these both and also disable data collection and also disable BitLocker automatic device encryption. This you have to check these 4 and uncheck the middle 2. It is very important. Then OK, and OK, it will format the USB drive and start booting. So for that I am currently not doing Windows 11, so I am just guiding you. After this the Windows 11 is done, your USB device will be bootable, and then restart your PC and do manually Windows 11 to your PC and your Windows will be done successfully. If you find this video helpful, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.